Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this peachy summer look using the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. This is the look that I do pretty much every time I use this palette. It's my go-to look for this palette. And if you would like to read my thoughts and my complete review on the Tropic palette, that is up on my blog, so I will link that below in case you're interested in checking that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial for this peachy summer look. Hey guys, so I'm starting off with my Smashbox 24-hour eyelid primer to prime my eyes and help the shadow be more vibrant and to last longer. And I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set the primer and give me a smooth base to put down the shadow. Okay, going into the Tropic palette, I'm starting off with the shade Nudist, and I'm applying that a ton to my crease and slightly above my crease since I have hooded eyes. Next, I'm going into the shade Peach Puff and applying that into my crease as well, but I'm applying that a little bit more precisely into the crease. Then taking the shade Sangria, which is a beautiful berry shade, and I think it's probably my favorite in the entire palette, and I'm placing that in the outer V of my eye to deepen up the look, and I'm just carefully blending that out. Now I'm using my NYX glitter glue and I'm applying that to the inner 2/3 of my eyelid. I'm applying this everywhere. I'm going to be putting down the shimmer shade I'm going to use next so that the shimmer shade pops on my lid and looks a lot more intense than it normally would without it. With this glitter glue, you have to work one eye at a time because it dries really quickly, and I like to put down the shimmer shadow on top of it while the glue is still tacky. Now working quickly, I'm grabbing the shimmer peachy shade in the palette Goosty and packing that on top of the glitter glue. Now I'm just cleaning up the eye look with a makeup wipe real quick, and I'm moving on to the face. We'll finish up the eyes later. So I applied this Smashbox primer water in So Chill Coconut. And then I'm going in with my CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation. I wear the shade Classic Ivory. Next, I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade 15 Light Neutral. Now I'm setting my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I like to apply a ton of this under my eyes to bake, and then while I'm letting it bake, I take my damp sponge and I just pat in powder all over my face. I learned this trick from Casey Holmes, and I've been loving how it makes my skin look. Now I'm using my Anastasia Brow Wiz to fill in my brows, and then using my NYX Control Freak gel to lock them in. Then I'm just brushing away that extra powder that I was using to bake under my eyes. And now I'm using the e.l.f. Mineral Bronzer to bronze up my face. Now I'm using the shade Cash from my Anastasia Blush Trio, and I'm applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Then using my Amrezy highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones, forehead, and Cupid's bow. Okay, back to finish up the eyes now. I'm going back in with the shade Peach Puff and blending that on my lower lash line. Then taking Sangria, I'm blending that on the lower lash line as well, just sticking to the outer third of my lower lash line. Finally, I'm taking Limoncello to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Then I don't show it on camera, but I use my Stila liquid liner on my lash line. Then I'm using my Milani Make It Dewy to set my entire face. I'm applying a small amount of the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara to darken my lashes so they'll blend in with my falsies. For lashes, I'm using the House of Lashes in the style Siren. These are so wispy and beautiful. I love them so much. And then to finish off the look, I applied ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Feedback. And that's everything, guys. Thanks for watching.